What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to wrap the roof of my car. Yeah, I got this from Vivid Vinyl. So I got the gloss black. As you can see, in order to put the wrap in correctly, I'm taking this off. That way it can be nice and clean. All you gotta do is push it back and start pulling. Well guys, I got this part here. I had to have my girlfriend help me. This is pretty difficult. It's not as easy as you think it is, because it gets stuck to the car. But I got this part, we got this part a little bit, and then we're still missing the back part. The problem is it keeps sticking to the damn car, so it's pretty hard. I am using a squeegee, so well guys, as you can see, it didn't come out so good. This part did right here. That's the sunroof. That didn't come out good. Alright guys, so as you can see, it did not come out good. I mean, back here came out pretty decent, but then it has this, and lifting it up, it's pretty hard. So I'm just tired of this. I tried, but I'm tired of it. So what I'm gonna do, I mean, I still have this big roll over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it to a professional and see if they can do it for me. So even if I have to pay, it doesn't matter what I have to pay. But yeah, so y'all get a new wrap and have someone do it for me, and it'll be good this time. So, but yeah, I tried, it didn't work. I don't know why. I mean, it's very sticky. That's the bad part. It's like very sticky, and this is the Vivid. So I mean, it's good. It's strong. I pulled it so many times and it's still sticking. It's really good. I'm not chewing down on the company. You know, it's my fault. I know that. But yeah, as you can see here, yeah, I had to take off my antenna, but I didn't. So. Thank you guys for watching again. Hopefully I can get it wrapped soon. Appreciate you guys watching my videos and commenting and liking the videos. Yeah, so peace out guys, and I'll catch you next time. Well guys, look at this. We actually kind of did it. I got a couple bubbles. Like, they just come back every time I try to take them out. Same here, same up here. I tried my best. This is my first time doing this, but it don't look too bad. I don't know, but I'm still gonna be doing it professionally. I'm gonna take it somewhere. It's not that bad.